Welcome, Mr. Francis. You can go ahead and ask your question.
Yes, I was asking, is there no direct, maybe another direct AI tool that can convert an AI generated?
No. The issue is that what this Copilot AI is doing is to give you the level of AI generated text in what you have paraphrased. Like we have Grammarly paraphraser, but it will still tell you that AI is involved in this paraphrasing. What the AI will do is to give you another insight of what you wanted to do and how you can do it better. You just need to remove some, I've told you, the D, the it, some of those things that you know they keep repeating in sentence. You just remove them, and when you remove them, the sentence still remains the same.
So, but an AI generated stuff like that will not be, especially the one that have been paraphrased, that will not be termed as plagiarism. Since it is paraphrased.
No. The issue is that why I'm raising this AI issue is that at a time, researchers will start looking into AI, the level AI wrote your work for you. Are you getting me? So that you'll be able to contain it on time.
That's true.
Huh?
That's true.
Okay.
But I don't think for now, with our with our educational system and everything
No,
for
that
now,
one is a free
since
pass.
we
That
are
one is a free
one
pass.
of the pioneers, since we are one of the pioneers of the AI stuff, and that to do with research, I don't think they will be able to dig deep into all that for now. What do you think?
That is not a big deal. Just if you're able to beat the AI limits, fine. But for the tools that I know some of Nigerian institutions have now is for plagiarism, like they turn it in.
Okay. Not for AI for now.
Yes.
Sure.
So I think we should proceed.
You.
Francis, I think we will start with your own. Let me admit some people. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Francis?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So I'm posting the topic you sent to me. And this is what the Google Scholar is showing. In this Google Scholar, one of the features is that you can save in your library. You can save in your library. You just create library here. If you don't have one, you can create library. But for me, I have a Google account, so I can easily use it and create a library here and save whatever I want in the library. So this is how we save it. It will pop up this. It's going to pop up this. And I will create what they call a library folder. So let me just use Francis Research. Done.
Hope my environment is not too noisy.
No. So you see, I have saved this article now, and I can decide to open the article to read up. Then egg beater as centrifuge. If you like the article, you save it. As you are saving all these articles now, you can generate the referencing, download it, and connect back to what we call the Zotero platform. So I will save here. Done. So the way you gather your articles, like the way you are saving in your library. Later, you will now come there to read. Like this one I've opened. This is the first one I have opened. And this is blah, 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 blah. This is the topic. And you cannot download this article. You cannot go beyond reading the abstract of the article. You cannot go beyond this. But there is normally a way we use to bypass it. But that will be off record. We use the Sci-Hub to do this. using the DOI number. Maybe I should try this one. The journal is 2017 journal. So this is the DOI number. I will copy this. And come to this Sci-Hub. I hope you are seeing the Sci-Hub.
Yeah.
And I will paste it here and do enter. It has opened the article full time. You can download the article and read whatever that is inside the article.
Wow.
You can even put the article in this our Scispace. Let me download it here. Let me download the article. Let me come to my this thing and download.
What's that number again? I what? DOI, I think.
Yeah, the DOI number. So I've downloaded it. Then see how I'm going to bring it inside the Scispace now and use the Scispace to read and summarize whatever that the article is saying. Watch what I will do. Let me go to the library, upload PDF. Are you seeing it? I can decide to, first of all, create a folder first. Please don't mind what you are seeing. These are people articles. Let me even delete those that are not relevant again. Let me delete and create a new one. So I'm creating a new one with the name Francis. Francis Research. And I will do create. I will open this Francis Research folder and upload that PDF I've downloaded.
Okay.
Are you seeing how I'm opening it?
Yeah, yeah.
This is where I save the PDF. And I'll upload the PDF now. It's uploading. It has uploaded.
Okay. So I started bringing out the conclusions and all these other things.
Yes. All those things that normally when you ask the AI for questions, this one you brought in the material, you see the conclusion, the insights, conclusion, the abstract summary, the introduction. You can ask him to give you the methodology. Let's do the methodology here. And if any of this does not have methodology, it will tell you no methodology. Are you seeing the methodology they use here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So this is the methodology. You can still open this thing and ask the co-pilot questions. This is the article. This is the article. You can ask the co-pilot to bring in related papers to this. It will show you the related articles to this, your particular work. hand-powered centrifuge, 2006. Self-powered paper-made electrochemical device for sensitive point-of-care testing. A portable hand-powered microfluidic device for sorting of biological particles. Hand-powered centrifuge made for cotton for assessing hematocrites. Are you seeing related articles on this, your work?
Yeah.
Okay. So
That's
you
nice.
can still use the co-pilots to do analysis of any mathematical equation, or you can, like this math, you can say summarize or analyze or explain the math or explain a graph. Huh? It's still part of the work this thing can do. And you can still use this thing to copy and take to your work. Huh? So having said this, another thing I would like to teach you is how to get already made thesis based on the work you are doing. Already made thesis based on the work you are doing. When you get this thesis now, you will now start to follow the guideline the people that wrote that thesis used to write your own. Francis, this is more for you.
Yeah.
So let me copy that your topic again. I don't know how many of you are online, but let me just copy this and paste. And look at the question I will ask. Are you seeing what I'm typing?
Okay, thesis on building a new trust.
Yes. Okay. Most of these ones are not university work. This will take you to university thesis repository. So you will be checking how, when you see a university portal, you will enter it. You will see the one that we say design, like this one now is Boston University. Development of a blood separation method for low, you open it. Model of blood centrifuge. This is University of Indonesia. I hope I'm making sense to everyone here.
Yes, you are.
So let's open the first one. This is 137 pages. Are you seeing the work? This is already made thesis.
I'm only saying copyright warning now. Okay.
You are seeing the
Okay.
abstract.
Yeah.
This is the abstract.
Okay.
And this work is used in, they did this work in 2001 for partial fulfillment of Doctor of Philosophy in Chemical Engineering. An investigation of centrifugal blood cell separation. And the person did about 6 publications and conferences. So you see how they arrange their chapters. So like this one, you can read. This one has their methodology. This one has their literature, which is more like the literature review. And the chapter 1 is the rationale, where you have your problem statement. That's what they mean by the rationale. And the objective, the aim and objective, the significance of your study. Here you can get it. If you read what is here, you can coin your rationale, which is your aim, objective, significance, and problem statement. Then this becomes your experimental method if you want to follow their own. Are you following me? And this is their result discussion and mathematical modeling conclusion. You can
Yeah.
download it and you decide to use it. Then let's go to another one and look at the topic again. A low-cost open source centrifuge adapter for separating large volume clinical blood samples. This one is a published article. It's
It's
not
a
a
public.
thesis.
Mm.
It's not a
Right.
thesis, but you can look at what they did, their materials and method. You can look at it and do your own. You can copy something out from here, more especially from the introduction and their methodology. Equally from, okay, you can see that one of their methodology here, centrifuge hardware. Simulation of a critical speed for centrifuge. This becomes part of your methodology. Francis.
Yeah.
Okay. So this works for you. Then we come to this one. This is the Boston University Library. Where we can still download what we came to download. Are you following me? The development of blood separation method for low and middle income countries. You open the thesis or you can download it here, view the PDF. So this is the PDF, the thesis PDF. It's about 48 pages. And you can still download it. You can still download it. So this will give you a guide. It's going to give you a guide on what you expect.
Okay.
Are you following?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
another one is this modeling of blood centrifugation and component separation. Blood centrifugation and component separation. I think this one is either MSc. I think this should be by MSc. Bachelor degree. Okay, this one is bachelor degree. And it's about 51 pages. So then let's go straight to the Zotero now. When I finish, I think the next thing people should do is to go and download this Zotero. It's going to help you a lot. This Zotero will
The
help you a
Zotero is
lot.
a software.
Yeah, it's an open source free referencing software.
Okay.
It's
But the others are not software. The others are, you can just get them straight from the website.
the others are on the internet. Mendeley and Zotero, their application. Even Mendeley and Zotero, you can still see them on the internet and just log into your portal. But one of the good things about Mendeley is that Mendeley and this is Zotero. You use this one in your Microsoft Word direct to do citation. So assuming, let me bring in that one I downloaded before to this Zotero now. Francis, I'm going to create a folder for you. Let me still write it, Francis Research. Are you seeing what I'm doing?
No, I'm not saying what you're doing.
Oh, sorry. Let me share the screen for this one. So when you download the application, you create an account and log into your account. And you start to bring in those work you've downloaded, those articles you've downloaded. It can be their referencing. It can be the PDF. Are you following me? So let me use this as Francis research work. He has created this folder for me. and I will open it. Because I have downloaded a lot of PDF in my system that I might need, I will just come in here. Click on this green plus that looks like a hospital plus. You click on it and go to store copy file to bring in what you have downloaded. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I downloaded this
Sorry, I was a
article.
little bit
I will
distracted.
open it. It's going to come into the Zotero. And the Zotero is going to bring in the file, the referencing, and everything about the work. See this one too. Let me bring in this one here. This particular one of 2017. So you see what the Zotero has done to this? Remember, what we opened is this Bamala or what? That's the PDF we brought in. And the Zotero went to search for this thing using the DOI number of this article so that you will bring in the whole referencing, the date of publication, and every other thing concerning this article to put it as your reference so that when you are writing your article, you don't need to do any other thing but to just do referencing. Yeah? Okay. Treating this particular one will be on another day, but let's use this particular one that everything about it is there. Huh? We open this article here to read using our Zotero. Huh? The Scispace is more advanced than the Zotero. But why you need Zotero is that you can reference directly in your Microsoft Word. So assuming that we are working with this article now, for Francis, this might be your starting wedding. This might be your starting wedding. And because this person has published his work, if you copy this work to internet, like copy any of this work to internet now and post it, it's going to bring out this particular article. Watch what will happen now. I will post it in Google. It's going to bring in this particular Bamela or what? Francis, are you seeing it? Francis? Zainab?
Engineer, I'm with you, sir.
Okay. You see that we just copied something from this your work.
Are you doing
I'm in Zotero now. So we just copied from this. That particular article we downloaded before, the low-cost centrifuge. And we copied it to the internet. Let me share the screen for the internet we copied it to.
hello, engineer,
Yeah.
Kendi.
Yeah.
You want to do in-text citation? That's
Yes,
in-text
I'm just
referencing.
calm down, be listening and follow what I'm doing. It's all about plagiarism. That's what I'm discussing now. So that article we just copied. So that article we just copied here, we put it on Google search. Google will bring the article. So assuming you are writing on this article and you copy directly without paraphrasing and without doing proper citation of that particular article, what it means is that you've done plagiarism, and the Google, the Turnitin will search everything and bring this article to you. And this is the article. But because we don't want to write exactly what the person wrote, and we still want to cite this person, what we will now do is that we bring this thing to this Scispace and do our paraphrasing. Let the paraphrasing be coming on. So I copied a text from that Zotero. This is what I copied. You know, I'm not seeing what I'm sharing. That's one of the implications here. But let me share again. Let me share the Zotero part. This is the, okay. This is the Zotero part I copied. Francis, this is for you. This is the Zotero part I copied. Then let me share when I posted it on Microsoft Word. Huh?
Okay.
This is Microsoft Word. Huh? This is that current centrifugation theory we stopped, which is here, and we put full stop here. And look at how we are going to do the in-text citation. I will come to my Zotero here. It will open here for me. Assuming I'm using a new Microsoft Word. Are you seeing the Microsoft Word, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are seeing it.
So let me post it. Let me post it afresh here. I've posted it here afresh. I will come to Zotero here and do add/edit citation. You see those APA 6, APA 7, APA 20, IEEE standard, American standard, and all those things. You choose the style you want. Zainab, always, are you following me with Francis? You choose the style you want. For Francis, Futo is using APA 6. So let's click APA 6. And it will now bring in this search engine where you will go back and get the title or one of the authors of that journal. And one of the authors of the journal is Bamela. And let's type in the author, B-H-A-M-L-A. And this is the title. This is the title. You click on it. You have done your in-text citation. And one good thing about this thing is that
network, I had some issues though. We didn't get it to.
don't worry, I will post on YouTube. One good thing about this thing that most of you will start struggling with your referencing. Maybe they say you did not do the referencing well. You can come back. You can come back here and add your referencing. It's going to post it immediately. Let's copy another one and post and cite it again. You will see how this thing will be adding the referencing on its own. Let me open this diabetic something. Let me share this Zotero again. Please, I'll be toggling between Zotero and Microsoft Word. Are you seeing the Zotero I'm sharing? If you are seeing it, you talk now so that...
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So let me copy from this after discussion.